Every legendary trophy begins deep beneath the Earth's surface. Raw stone begins revealing its hidden treasure. Precision starts long before gold ever shines. Science separates value from ordinary stone. Extreme heat transforms minerals into precious metal. Purity finally takes solid form. Only flawless material earns the next journey. Security protects every gram of perfection. The journey continues toward master craftsmanship. Here, raw gold prepares to become football's ultimate symbol. Behind these walls, precision becomes an art. Every shipment is verified before transformation begins. Absolute accuracy starts with perfect verification. Each piece is prepared for exact alloy control. Heat unlocks the metal's next chapter. Every degree shapes the final masterpiece.
Perfection is measured before it is poured.
Preparation determines flawless results. Liquid gold begins its final form. Patience preserves every perfect detail. The first true shape finally emerges. Every movement protects months of preparation. Only the essential form remains. Precision replaces every imperfection. Every millimeter is measured with certainty. Micron-level machining perfects every iconic contour. Human craftsmanship reveals perfection beyond machinery. Every reflection is engineered to perfection. Technology verifies what craftsmanship created. Its legendary shine finally comes alive. Even invisible flaws are never accepted. Only absolute perfection moves forward. Care protects every priceless detail. Perfection begins where roughness disappears. Every curve is refined with unwavering precision. Nothing escapes the eyes of precision. Only the smallest flaws remain and vanish. Brilliance is earned one polish at a time.
Human expertise confirms robotic perfection.
Every measurement must match absolute standards. Even invisible particles have no place here. Every masterpiece leaves behind its own record. The final examination begins. Every millimeter must match perfection. Precision is measured in microns. Its beauty is matched by verified purity. Nothing is too small to matter. Every reflection tells the truth. Endurance is tested before history is made.
Experience gives the final verdict.
Its identity is preserved forever. From craftsmanship to legend, the journey is complete.
Every final touch protects a lasting legacy.
Protection is engineered with the same precision. Security leaves nothing to chance.
Its next destination is the world.
Every mile carries history. The world's greatest prize reaches its stage.
The symbol of football stands ready. One trophy, one dream, one world.
Forged with precision, protected with honor, destined to inspire